Hi, today we will be learning to paint this beautiful ladybug with watercolors. So the first step is going to be to draw it. For the head, I'm going to draw with the pencil light inverted curve and chalking out the eyes. It's not necessary for you to be very perfect in drawing to be able to do this. Just try and understand the shapes, break it down, and you'll be able to get a really good one. I think the ladybug is very interesting to draw, so draw it lightly, especially when you do watercolors. Make sure that you don't add in unnecessary details if it's not needed, because the watercolors are kind of transparent when they dry out, so your pencil marks will be seen. So what I generally do is once I draw, I take a kneadable eraser and then I just run it through so that it becomes a little lighter. I'll show you what it looks like. This is how it is. You just roll it over, make it slightly lighter, and we'll start painting. Today I'm using the Sennelier color set, which has very basic colors, and I find these to be really bright and happy. So we'll start with a good wash of red for the shell. I'm using water to spread it out. So your different papers will react very differently to your paints. 300 GSM and 400 GSM, 450, and then there's also 220. So different GSM paper will give you very different reactions. I'm making the left side darker to show that there's light coming in from the right. Towards the center, I'm making it slightly darker because the ladybug shell has this kind of an effect. You could mix your colors prior to painting. I mix it on the go most of the time. We'll now let it rest for a bit, and we'll probably do the face part of it, and then we'll come back and see if we need to do anything more on the shell after this. So I'm using a smaller brush for the head because it's a smaller area. I don't want to use a big brush and then spoil that part. So this is kind of easy because all I'm going to do over here is just fill in. You could use a marker if you want to for doing this. You could also use your color pencils. So the black in this Sennelier set is almost like a charcoal grey. Filling up this entire area, and then we'll start filling the rest of the sections wherever black is needed. For the legs, the tentacles, and in the end we'll do the spots on the shell at the back. This is where your drawing helps. If you have it drawn out, then all you need to do is just fill in the details over there. Otherwise you might go wrong in the proportion and mess things up. Make sure you're using a good pointed round brush for doing the fine detailing. If you don't have one, go for a micron pen. now start filling in the legs, which would be the last part of the ladybug. You could try this out in any other medium that you like, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram and follow me there. I would love to see what you create. Hope you like this. Thank you.